we have on campus this week is really a fine group of kids. We have a broad range of abilities and ages. I think our youngest is 11, and they range probably in age all the way up to 17 or 18. They all came in very well prepared for their placement auditions. That right off the bat gave us the clue that this is going to be a really fun week.
So this group of kids is, they're some of the most fun that I've had at this workshop so far. This year's been great. They come from all different backgrounds. Some of them have percussion instructors, they have steel bands, and they have ensembles, and they kind of know what they're getting into coming in. And then we have the other side of the coin where there's kids that just don't have the gear, they've never seen a marimba. Some of them didn't know what a vibraphone was, but then by the end of the week they're able to play four mallet in different techniques, Burton grip and Stevens grip, and we talk about all those things.
The students this week just have been so much fun. As soon as they came on campus, they have this sense of love for just having fun and being able to do that with percussion. And so we've had every single night, we've played Mafia at least 5 times, and we've just gotten to be able to hang out together, and they like hanging out with each other.
So the staff here is super competent, and they always help me grow better as a percussionist. Also, the atmosphere here is awesome. It's like we're one big family, hanging out in the dorms, practicing pad. It's great.
I keep coming back because one of my best friends comes too. His name's Jared. We just like coming together because it's a good experience just to bond and do something we both really like to do.
Definitely the concert. It's so much fun just to get to play all the stuff that we've worked on and worked so hard. It's just the greatest experience.
I was kind of scared going into it because I didn't know if I'd get along with everyone, and at first it seemed like I'd have some issues with people, but I'm pretty sure I'm friends with everyone here. It may seem like a long day, and it is at first, but I've laughed so much here already, and it's really fun.
Oh, the concert's gonna be so good. I've been listening in on ensembles, going and taking pictures and just listening, and they have been working so hard for this, and it's gonna show.
Marimba ensemble usually plays one piece per group, per ensemble. This year, the kids are driving so hard that they're actually learning 2 marimba ensembles. Our percussion groups need more music because they're getting through it fast, and so each of the ensembles is doing 2 movements or 2 pieces of music and a steel band, and it's all in 1 week. And they just they're fired up, and it's so cool, and they're having a great time.
Almost every year there's that student. There's the student that comes in kind of has a doe in the headlights look, just a little bit of a stunned persona, and then after maybe half a day of being actually immersed in what we do, the support from the students around them also attending, they seem to just fall right into place, and then that timidness goes away and they dig in, and at the end of the week they come out a completely different player. And that really happens with all the students to a certain extent. They come in on Sunday, sort out their ability levels, put them in the proper classes and ensembles to challenge them, and then at the end of the week they put on an hour-and-a-half concert, and they play very well, and it all happens in basically 5 days. So I think that's the success story, is how far along they all can come, and how far along they can bring all of their pieces, their marimba pieces, their steel drum pieces, their percussion ensemble pieces, for the concert, and then also just watching their hands develop and how they grasp the techniques we're trying to teach.
I like to shout out Aaron and Drew. Drew's killing it on the drum set, and Aaron's teaching me a lot of improvisation, which is sweet.
Shout out to my main boy Aaron, walking by.
I'd like to say hi to my mom. Thanks for sending me here.